Did you know, our planet is full of places that don't follow the rules? Lakes that disappear, islands that grow out of the ocean, waterfalls that look like they're falling upward. The world is stranger, wilder, and far more unbelievable than most people realize. So let's dive into another mind-bending fact about Earth. 1. The country that has no rivers. Here's the thing. Most countries rely on rivers for life. But not Saudi Arabia. It's the largest country on Earth without a single natural river. So how do millions of people survive? Groundwater, desalination plants, and one of the most expensive water management systems ever built. What this really means is, a country can be mostly desert, have zero rivers, and still turn into a global powerhouse. 2. The island that gets bigger every year. South of Iceland, a new island is literally growing from the ocean. It's called Surtsey, born from a volcanic eruption in 1963. Scientists treat it like a natural laboratory, no tourists, no humans, no buildings. They study how life begins on a brand new island from scratch. And the crazy part? The island keeps changing shape every year as waves carve it down while lava pushes it up. 3. The place where two continents are pulling apart. There's a spot in Iceland where you can stand between two continents. The Eurasian and North American plates are moving away from each other, a few centimeters every year. You can literally walk through a crack created by the Earth stretching itself. It's one of the few places where plate tectonics feels visible. Like watching the planet breathe. 4. A lake so toxic it can turn creatures into stone. Lake Natron in Tanzania looks beautiful, bright red, surreal. But the water is extremely alkaline. If birds fall in, minerals coat their bodies, preserving them like statues. The lake isn't evil. It's just nature with its own chemistry. And somehow, flamingos still thrive there, using it as a safe breeding ground. 5. A desert that used to be the world's fourth largest sea. The Aral Sea was once so huge people called it an ocean. Then irrigation projects drained it. Today, it's mostly a desert filled with abandoned ships. What this really means is, humans didn't just change the landscape. They erased a sea. 6. A waterfall that seems to fall upward. On windy days in Mauritius, strong Indian Ocean gusts hit a cliff and push the falling water backward. It looks like the waterfall is rising. It's not magic. Just wind power. But the illusion is so strong people travel just to see water defy gravity. 7. The place that gets 460 inches of rain a year. Mawsynram, India, is soaked almost the entire year. Clouds slam into the Khasi hills and unload like a broken shower. Villagers build living bridges from tree roots so they don't rot in the moisture. It's the rainiest inhabited place on Earth. A natural water factory. 8. A beach with sand that's completely green. Papacolia Beach in Hawaii looks unreal. The sand is bright olive green because it's full of a mineral called olivine, formed from volcanic eruptions. Waves break down the rock, leaving behind a green shoreline you won't find in most places on the planet. It's like the Earth spilled a bag of gemstones. 9. The largest cave that has its own weather. Vietnam's Sun Dong Cave is so big it has clouds, fog, forests, and even rivers inside. You're basically walking into a hidden world. Sunlight enters through collapsed ceilings, creating jungles underground. It's the closest thing we have to a real-life fantasy landscape. 10. The lake that disappears every year. Lake Cerknica in Slovenia appears during rainy months. And vanishes almost completely in summer. It's a natural sinkhole system, water drains underground like someone pulled a giant plug. Locals joke they don't live near a lake, they live near a, sometimes lake. So that was for today World's Geography Fact. You like our video, subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.